Look at Logan run.
You okay? That hurt? Come here. Come here.
I'm right
That
there.
hurt? I know. It's okay, son. It's just a little bump.
Come back here, Logan.
Okay. You're okay.
Come back here, Logan.
You're okay.
Logan.
This isn't a good place for babies.
Hey, Logan.
Come on, let's go find Puppy.
Come on, Logan. Yeah, here he comes.
So he's calling me. He's coming out Nani, which is pretty cute.
Logan cannot walk. He can only run.
He can only run. He's got one
Whoop.
speed.
Of course, Corbin can
Hey,
crawl
Corbin.
almost as
Can
fast.
you walk to Daddy?
Corbin can walk, too.
Oh. You're supposed to walk. Walk like a big boy. There you go. There you go. Hey, Corbin. Can you walk? Stand up. Stand up and walk. Oh, careful. Don't let brother hit you in the face with that. Come on. Corbin. Come stand up and walk to me. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Yeah, come on. Corbin. Come on, son. Come on, Corbin.
Hey, Corbin, come here.
Corbin. 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 Come here. Come here. Come on. You can do it.
Come here, Corbin.
Come on. You silly gooser.
Oh, watch your fingers here, little guy.
He has such a one-track mind.
Yeah.
He gets fixated on something that's...
He did it again. Nani.
Okay. Bang. He got you, didn't he? Boop. Boop.
Oh, it's getting rough. Getting rough now. Hey, do you want me to drive you in the car for a while?
Oh, he's trying to close it.
Uh-huh.
You coming, son? There you go. There you go. Come on. Yeah,
All
look
right.
at you go. Look at you go like a big boy, huh?
I'm
Look
gonna
at
go.
you go like a big boy.
Mommy's gonna go put her face on, okay?
No, you gonna go to the couch? Okay. Bang!
Yeah.
Yay! That was a good job, son. That's a good job. You gonna go back?
For a ride?
Okay.
wanna
There you
ride?
go. Good job.
Look at you, Corbin.
Good job, son. Yay!
Right, yeah, that's it. Teresa. Woohoo! Look at you! What a big boy!
Hey, Corbin. You want to chase him with the lion? Corbin, want to chase him with the lion?
Okay, Trent, you have to sit if you want to go.
Want to chase him with the
You wanna
lion?
go driving? You want to drive? You want to get out? Okay. You want to get out? Corbin, do you want to ride?